Today, we're taking a look at how Give Day donations have been able to prepare the new generation of marketers for the experiences and perspectives of two marketing students who have both been integral to the marketing program. We're going to start today with Mary. Hi, Mary.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Mary. I'm a senior in marketing, and I'm also SMA's current president this year.
Awesome. Could you walk us through how you learned about the Give Day scholarships?
Well, initially I had a professor, specifically economics, talk about it in class. They mentioned how easy it was to apply, and so I did it in class with a friend. It only took about 5 minutes.
Really? Did your friend apply as well?
And they received one as well.
That's awesome. How has receiving the scholarship from Give Day affected the opportunities that you've been able to take advantage of?
Yeah, so I initially received a scholarship last year, and I was able to take an internship at the Ferndale Food Bank, which is my hometown. And what was really wonderful about it is I got to fight hunger in my own community. And so roughly 7 out of 15 people in Ferndale attend the food bank. Mm-hmm. And so it was super impactful to me because those are people that were my peers growing up, and those are people that are currently living in my community.
What did your experience at the food bank teach you about what kind of marketing work you want to do in the future?
Well, initially I got started with building essentially a whole social media plan. And while it's not something that initially I was passionate about, I really liked the number side of it. And so now I'm looking into more so market research, data analytics, that kind of a thing.
We know that Give Day supports SMA in a lot of different ways, specifically with events such as Career Launch. And how has that helped your career readiness?
Yeah, I've attended the career launch all 4 years of university, and I've loved it because I've gotten to kind of start building these connections with alumni and students where I always know that I can see them then the next year and the year after that. And what it's done is I've really been able to cement some solid friendships through the career launch. It's also really built my confidence in connecting with people. I used to have a little bit of social anxiety when meeting new people.
How has this support allowed you to pay it forward already, even as a student?
Yeah, I've been able to collect and amass quite a large amount of experiences, whether through internships and classes. And getting to be SMA president, I end up fielding a lot of questions from my fellow peers and students who don't always feel comfortable either asking a professor or they're not sure who to talk to. And so it's been this really wonderful opportunity where I get to kind of help people out by answering their questions and finding out where they need to be, but also getting to kind of expand people's perspectives and filter in what I've learned throughout my time in college.
What skills has your time at SMA strengthened that you see helping you in your future?
Yeah, recently this past year, I got to speak at the career launch in front of a large crowd of people, and it was the first time publicly speaking to that many. And so constantly SMA kind of pushes me out of my comfort zone and always is pushing my boundaries, and I find that that's my best way to personally grow and kind of learn and adapt.
So you've appreciated those experiences from SMA that they've been able to give you?
Mm-hmm. It's been largely impactful.
Awesome. Can you tell us about an experience that the marketing program has given you that has helped you develop into the professional you are today?
Yeah, both my sophomore and junior years, I volunteered for the case comp. Mainly I helped with both the application process and checking people in day of for the ability to compete. And it was really fun because I got to develop some strong administrative skills that I hadn't practiced in a while. And it's finally built up my confidence enough that I actually get to compete this year instead of just volunteering. So I'm looking forward to that.
That's awesome. And just to wrap it all up, what excites about your future professional endeavors in marketing?
Yeah, I'm particularly excited about kind of pursuing this career in market research analytics. And personally, I'm rather invested in kind of bringing in and uplifting underrepresented voices. And so I hope that through proper research methods and that kind of a thing, I can push for good within my own communities.
That's awesome. Well, thank you, Mary, so much for your time and sharing your experiences with us.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
And now we're joined by Peyton, if you'd like to introduce yourself and what your major was.
Hi, I'm Peyton. I'm a recent Western graduate, and I graduated with marketing.
Sweet. And do you also want to talk a little bit about what you do now, post-grad?
Oh, yeah. So I work for a seafood company, and I am a content and brand coordinator. So I deal with all their social medias and whatnot.
Are you liking your new job?
Oh, I love it. It's so nice. It's exactly what we did in IMC, so I really enjoy it a lot.
Looking at your entire marketing journey at Western, what would you say was the greatest turning point for you?
I would say that the greatest turning point for me personally was when I was SMA president last year. I wasn't originally supposed to do that. My friend kind of talked me into it and said, "Oh, you should go try out for this." And I was super nervous, and I really didn't think I stood a chance, but I did it, and it taught me a lot about community, like getting more engaged with marketing. So it just really taught me how to be professional and take my classes and overall everything more seriously.
What would you say was your favorite SMA experience or trip? Anything that you did that stood out?
My favorite was the Mariners trip, and I think you went on that too.
Oh yeah.
It was super fun. We got to go on the field, which was
Yeah.
really exciting. Got to go in the locker room. I've already seen the Hall of Fame, but just go into some secret areas that never been experienced, go to a panel, talk with people who are in the sports industry, and it really opened up and made waves for for the students at Western. So it was really nice.
Going back to the community thing, how would you say, did you notice that younger students, did you notice a change in their work ethic or anything after joining SMA? Like, did anything improve for them, confidence-wise?
Mm-hmm. For sure. I definitely noticed a lot of people got more comfortable with presenting. Something in SMA that I did was I presented every single meeting, and I was super nervous about doing that. So it really helped me develop more like presenting skills, I guess. And with overall everyone in the marketing association, I feel that just in the later years, everyone took it way more seriously. With the case competition too, everyone just for that week was super serious, and it was great to see.
You said from your whole marketing career at Western, SMA is what helped you most to prepare for your current job. What are some key skills that you'd say SMA and just IMC and marketing in general helped you out with?
Mm-hmm. I would say I was a really bad presenter. So all throughout even my time at Western before I got later into the classes, I hated presenting. I'd get so nervous, I'd stress myself out. But after doing so many presentations, not only for SMA but in my classes as well, that really helped me gain confidence with presenting. So at my job currently, I do a presentation every week. So I talk to my team and people who have been at the company for years. So I'm in front of these people who know what they're talking about, and I'm trying to make sense of like, here's my job, here's what I do, here's what I'm seeing with the social media, social listening, brand questions. What can I tell them so then we can maybe make our marketing a little more clear? So I would say I'm way more confident in like presenting what I know.
So I know you didn't participate in the case competition, but I do know you volunteered in it, and you said you watched some of your friends compete. How would you say the case competition improved their skills as marketers and confidence? And
I knew pretty much all of my friends did this case competition. I had a lot of stuff going on at the time, so I couldn't participate. However, I got to see, again, a lot of my friends do it. So I know a lot of them were also really nervous about presenting. They were super involved with the IMC classes and specifically Dan classes in general. So I had known them to be really hard workers, but I've never seen them present, especially to a board, where in the final to a room packed full of people, probably the most people that they have ever presented in front of. Just their confidence in the way that they're presenting just shine through was something I had never seen before in just a regular classroom setting. So I think that the way their personalities and the way they work together with their team in such a short time period was so great to see and just brought to fruition. It was just so great. I loved it.
moving past SMA, what would you say from the marketing program, from classes that you have taken? What was the most influential part for you, professor-wise, class-wise?
I guess something I'd want to talk about is how much Dan's classes really shaped me as a marketer. When I was taking 381 and 382, that was after like the foundations of marketing, kind of like a very easy intro class to marketing, but it didn't really test my limits. But taking a Dan class, it was super, I've never been more stressed than taking one of his classes, but it was good stress. I got to learn about how to work under pressure and work with a team and work with teams who we didn't really get along or we just didn't mesh well. So it really showed me how to just take a step back and learn myself and do my work, and also presenting too. Just so nervous presenting for a lot of things. And then moving up, learning responsibility and how much my learning how much my accomplishments can get me forward. So like I started as where you guys were as content creator, and then I moved up to be a PM, and then I was on the executive team as director of operations. So moving through those quarters and those different positions taught me so many different experiences, and I can't imagine not being able to be a part of it. Like, I really appreciate Dan for everything he's done and how real he is with you. I needed that in a professor.
All right, well, I just want to thank you for your time. I know you're busy with your big girl job now. You're starting your marketing career, which is so exciting, and we're very excited to see where you go.
Thank you so much for having me.